Hello friends, welcome back to the Jess channel. It is that time of the month again, and my Birchbox arrived. This is October's box. I'm really looking forward to some fall stuff, so let's see if that is something included in here. Okay, let's get right into the box. First thing I see is this really cute, I don't know, I really like this mood that is happening right now. We have some orange, some deep emerald green, which I love, and then like a light pink and blue. I don't know how to describe this. It's kind of, it looks a little 70s to me. I don't know, but I think that's really cute. Okay, so we have our paper of the month. It says Fall in Love with You. A little self-centered, but okay. And then we have all of our products. We have 5 products this month, pretty much like always, and it looks like this theme is not just self-centeredness, but fall back in love with the skin you're in. Okay. Your October box is here to help nourish and care for your skin as the colder months get closer. Got it. Awesome. And we have more orange paper, which I love. Honestly, it doesn't match very well, but it's cute, it's cute. Okay, first out of the box is this Balance Me Radiance Face Oil. The full size is $43. Dubbed Dewy Skin in a Bottle, this award-winning rejuvenating elixir with essential fatty acids and potent skin conditioners restores radiance and vitality to dull, tired skin. So I've only had a couple. Actually, I've never gotten a roll-on in this box. So actually, I'm excited for this. I think that's probably like, I feel like this is a wholesale size, like not even a sample. But that looks fun. But I'm excited to have a roll-on for the first time. And then our next item, our next beauty product is the Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream. Focus, guys, focus. Got it. Full size is $68. This cream quenches skin all day with macro hyaluronic acid for a double dose of moisture plus moringa oil. Hope I'm saying that right, and natural extracts. That sounds very healthy for your skin. I love night creams because I find that overnight my skin gets really dry. I don't know if it's the kind of pillowcase I use. I do use silk pillowcases, which I thought were good for you, but good for your hair at least. But I find that my skin gets really dry overnight, so that's perfect. Okay, our next, this is funny. Our next is Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Toner. And you guys haven't seen the video featuring Georgette Klinger yet because it comes out in November. Spoiler, but I'm actually an affiliate of them now, and I just got a ton of products from them, and I already have this one, so I'll have to gift this one. But the full size of this one is $26. This multitasking toner helps simplify and maximize your skincare routine. Not only does it treat like a serum, but also balances skin and provides an antioxidant protection. Nice. Always love a good toner. Always love a little one because I like trying different ones out. Some of them dry my skin a lot. But while I'm here, I know you guys haven't found out really about this yet, but I am an affiliate of Georgette Klinger, and I do have a discount code for you if you would like to check them out. Something really cool about them is that they send freebies, like a lot of freebies in every order. In the box that I got that you'll see in November, I got, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 freebies, and I only bought 1 item, and I think that's pretty epic. So check them out. My code to get 15% off your entire order is JustJess15, so if you want to go check them out, that would be awesome. Alright, our next product is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream. I got that right? Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. That is a mouthful. Full size is $28. This body cream smooths skin while hydrating from head to toe. Its lightweight watermelon scent and creamy texture leaves skin glowing and smelling fresh. So this is a body cream. So I don't think you could probably use it on your face. If it's heavily scented, I will not. I definitely smell watermelon. I'm not going to take the little thing off. I don't know why I expected to smell it that well through the foil, but I do smell watermelon through it, so. But I'm always looking for a good moisturizer that's not going to obviously dry my skin or make my skin irritated. I do have a lot of eczema on my arms. It's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see a couple white splotches. So those get really irritated. Those little spots get really irritated if I use something that's not really moisturizing. Okay, our last product is so cute and so pretty. We have the Sunday Riley Lighthearted SPF 30 daily sunscreen. Full size is $35. I love this packaging. I thought they were fortune cookies at first, but I realized they were hearts when I read lighthearted, and I was like, oh, oops. Anyway, full size $35. Don't know if I already said that. Probably did. A lightweight broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Sunscreen with antioxidant turmeric and blue light blocking Xanthrophil. Protects and hydrates skin with a velvet finish. That's a pretty good box. Okay, my honest thoughts though, when I opened it, I was like, boring, because they were all little small products, no masks, no eye masks, nothing super interesting when it first met my eye. But now that I'm looking into it all, I'm really excited about it, and I think these products are going to be so fun to try out. And what was that? And I encourage you to try Birchbox for yourself, because obviously you're getting these samples for a great value. Honestly, I didn't buy it, so I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's $12 a month. Let's just go with that. But it was a Christmas gift to me, and I've been enjoying it so much. And guys, I promise in December, when I get my December box, it will be a blind reveal. For my last box ever, I will be doing a blind reveal. I will not open it before I show you guys. It's because for every Birchbox so far, I have opened them first before, and I know that might be a little disappointing to y'all, but I can't wait. I'm too excited. I get in the mail and I'm like, party! So I opened it before, but in December, it's gonna be so busy. I'm just gonna be like, put it aside. I'll just open it with my YouTube fam. So that's what's gonna happen in December, only 2 months away. And yeah, this was a super good box, super exciting box, and I'm loving it. You guys have a great day, a great week, and keep on smiling. Also, be the reason somebody else smiles today, because why not? See you guys next time. Bye!